This is very scary. What are our plans for the day?
Apteek plus Central Hamburg.
And kebab.
And kebab, yes.
Muija.
We are now in a nice little restaurant. It's raining outside and it's pretty cold. So we tried to go into another restaurant at first, but it was pretty full and it was pretty expensive. Thank God we found this place.
Maybe. We might
Yeah.
get food poisoning.
We don't know yet.
Ymmärrän.
Here, ladies and gentlemen, you can find Nicoteus Maximus in his own personal habitat. As you can see, the species is very rapid with its movements. It has very long legs and therefore it can run even 30 kilometers per hour. It is trying to run away from us right now, so we are following it. But we need to be very careful because once it spots us, it gets very excited. Milo just used a very specific calling voice.
Nico!
Can you do it again?
Nico! On the hunt for Nicodemus.
Yeah.
He will never stop. He will stop at nothing. Suomi poika! Arkkitehtuuri huipentuma. Ei mun sinänsä Saksalla mitään, mutta jos ajaa Dortmundille, niin haluan nopea käydä.
There is Miro in his natural habitat. He's carrying an umbrella because today might rain. He's searching for a place to have some food. Now he looks mad and he's coming this way. I think that we should stop this video before something bad happens to me.
No niin.
Help me!
Show and not tell.
Now we're eating.
Okay.
We are in this kind of like a marketplace where there's like
The food markets.
food market where there's like many different stands and then you can pick up any food that you like to and then you can just come eat at the table. What did you have?
Grilled salmon roll.
And then I had ramen, but I have no idea what is gonna come from there. Jotenkin tosi hieno.
Enemy of the state.
That street over there. Näitkö sä ton? Dubai cookie.
Joo.
Oisko mitään? We are now on our way to Dortmund. As you can hear, I'm a bit sick. What are our plans Miro, for today?
To go see Signal Iduna Park and to go to a fan shop.
Plan is also to drive to
Edge of the border.
edge of the border of
Netherlands.
the Netherlands. Yeah. We are here now and we're gonna drive to Dortmund over there, and then we're gonna drive from Dortmund probably somewhere around here to the border of the Netherlands and Belgium.
And now we are here. This is Vanlife.
Reality check,
This is Vanlife.
because we are just taking the car to a mechanic.
I can explain.
Yes.
We are taking the car to mechanic since we need to change the front tires, both brake pads.
Only the left one.
No, you have to change both always when you change.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Myro, the mechanic.
I might have to go to a hospital in a few days unless my if I don't get better, we will have to go to the hospital in a few days. So I've had a cough for about 2 weeks now, and then I had very high fever yesterday, so that's why I'm just trying to rest as much as possible in this van.
Japanissa ei saa syödä jätskiä kadulla, koska kun sun pitää nuolla sitä jätskiä, kun sä syöt sitä ja sit sitä pidetään eroottisena.
Varmaan seinään. Antaa Veerolle.
Rest in pepperonis.
We just got a car from the mechanic and they fixed the brakes, so now we can continue our journey, and now we're going actually to Netherlands. Whee!
Antwerpen or something.
Antwerpen or something like that. And it takes 2 hours too. And Myro has taken the wheel. He's an expert driver. And we actually took a hotel yesterday because we are both sick. Miro is a bit more sick than I am, but oh my god, I cannot. But the rest was good and much needed for both of us. And now the trip can actually continue. How is the driver feeling?
Very good.